Meron ditong Forbidden Island. Gusto ko yan.
Ang usapan,
Welcome to Forbidden Island, where everything is forbidden.
dapat grand vacation.
Ayoko na dito.
Hoy! Hanggang kailan ba tayo tatakbo?
Pero bakit biglang may zombie invasion? Isla, Tuesday 9 a.m. on Cinema G. Speak now or forever hold your peace. My best friend's wedding, Tuesday 12 noon on GTV.
Kaya ka nandito kasi may nawawala sa'yo, may tumugulo sa'yo, may inaasam ka na gusto mo makuha, ipipigil natin sa'yo.
Are your memories real?
Natatandaan kita sa panaginip.
Hindi yung panaginip.
Total Recall, Tuesday 8 p.m. on GTV.